Hello, another Andrea cam here where I've been decorating with rocks. Of course it's backwards to you, I guess. Maybe I'll figure out a way to flip the video around so that it actually says Bagan and not Negaba or whatever it looks like it says to you. Anyhow, I'm at random temple somewhere in the middle of Bagan, and those rocks were just here, and so, you know me, I can't keep my hands to myself. And just decided to write Bagan and take pictures of it. Anyhow, it's still amazing, and this is my second day, and I feel so much better today. I think I told you I wasn't feeling so good yesterday. Went to bed at 9:30 and slept until 7:30, and I feel so much better. Beautiful temple. It's amazing how many of these there are. There's just an amazing amount of these. Everywhere you go, you know, there's just a random one that pops up, and it's like they've all been partially restored. I did find one that was pretty ruined, but even it had already partially been restored in parts, and the Buddhas inside are all painted and pristine. And this one right back here, I'm guessing in a year or two that won't look like that. I'm guessing they're going to fix it. I don't really see anybody doing any work on these. You know, some of them have scaffolding and stuff, but they're getting it done. Anyhow, peace out. Oh, there's the big gold one. You can't go inside that one. It's just a big thing, I guess. You can't, a stupa, I guess they call it, if you can't go inside. It's got a bunch of Buddhas on the outside, but oh, I was going to show you, this is going to be a long one because now I'm talking longer and going and stuff, but I wanted to show you the other view. Well, look at these cute little entrance ways. Let's see if you can watch me duck and go through one of these. Sorry about the video. Anyhow, so that was me going through a little entranceway, but that there is the goal of the day, I think. Wherever you see, you get the general idea. But as you see, I mean, there's just so many of them. I mean, it just keeps going and going and going, as far as you can see. Anyhow, Andrea Cam signing off after a really long video.